Derek, you're in front of the new DD Plus from Velodyne. Why don't you give us some of the background that led up to this new model?
Okay, thank you very much for letting me tell you a little bit about these products. The concept was to take a very successful series called the Digital Drive, DD series, and improve them in terms of making them play louder, lowering the distortion, and making them a lot easier to set up so they could integrate seamlessly into a user's system. And what we've done is take the heart of the product, which is the driver, the woofer. We have here a completely new driver that has been taking about 2 years to design using a new generation of what is called Rohacell sandwich cone material, which is very light and very dead, it's inert, and a complete new magnet structure and voice coil. So this is now far more efficient and far more effective in the use of making the driver move in a perfect piston. So it reacts very quickly, it works in a perfect piston, and it also has a long excursion, so we can also get a lot more power out of it. So this is the basic, this is the heart of the whole system. This has helped us make these subwoofers play approximately 5 to 6 dB louder than the previous systems, which is a lot of extra power and sound. In terms of making them easier to use, we have a front panel here in which you'll see a mini USB. This will connect the subwoofer to your laptop, and via a CD-ROM will come up on your screen an equalization curve, and you can automatically set the subwoofer by pressing on the remote control this EQ Plus. That will set up the subwoofer, its volume, the crossover, also phase and polarity with your main loudspeaker system. This makes it so much easier for the average consumer to set up his system. If you want, when the screen comes up, you can with your mouse change some of the parameters on the equalization circuit. All this can be done in about 5 or 10 minutes. On the panel here is a readout which will show what you are doing if you are changing the volume control or the crossover. The LED will light up for 10 seconds, then go dark. It's behind the grill, so you can't see it all the time, which again, people like things that look pretty. And we also have here volume and crossover control. And on the right-hand side is a little EQ Plus button. If you don't want to use the remote control, you press this in for 2 or 3 seconds, and then the subwoofer will do a sweep tone from 15 hertz up to 200 hertz continually until it finishes its sweep about 30 times. There's a mini jack here, which is where you connect the microphone in. So you take the jack, plug it in, and then you take the microphone and put it in your favorite listening position where you normally sit, and then it does its sweep. It's as simple as that.